I wanted to do an unboxing on this amazing Hohem iSteady X3 SE Plus. See a plus there? So we're gonna open it slowly and strategically. All right, let's see which part opens over here. Right here, of course, is Hohem. Of course, there's gonna be a seal there, which we can probably do it by hand. There you go. All right, so what you got in the box here, you got obviously a QR code for your app, and then you got a QR code for your Facebook review. You got a nice manual here, a couple extra ones for other stuff. That's what it looks like in the box. You got this little tripod. It's quite mini, but it's probably does the job. Just screws right in the bottom of the actual gimbal. I'll put that on the side. Over here, of course, you're gonna have your USB-C to USB-A connection, and they give you this little wrench just in case you need to fix your engine on your Bentley. There you go. So USB-C to USB-A. And this one, I believe it's a little bag that they give you. Nice smooth bag, so you can put everything in there. And then, of course, we have the gimbal. Nothing else in the box, so we'll put that on the side for now. There you go. We're gonna open it right here. And we're gonna slide it right out. So that's what it looks like. There's your remote control that you can detach. There's your USB-C charging port. I hope it's visible. There's your power button. Your zoom button right here. And then your joystick. Record, stop record mode. It's not heavy, but ain't light either. It's not heavy, but ain't light. So the way you open this, you pull this part upwards, like this. That's it. And then you can put your phone right here. There's instruction right here. If you can read that, hopefully you can. Show your phone is centered and all that. So you pull this out and you put it right in there. And you could accommodate probably the biggest phone that there's out there. And this button in the back, this would pretty much bring it back to the regular mode. So I'm gonna press and hold. There you go. That's when the magic starts. And technically, now you can put your phone in and there you go. And you can pretty much start recording. This will be your recording button, mode button, joystick. And that would be it, guys. What do you think? If you press the rear, it'll just turn right around. So now you're facing your actual camera, whether it's a Action 5 or Pocket 3 or your cell phone. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe, share, and like this video and comment. Thank you, guys. Maddie's out with Wool Wisdom.